Hello friend, I'm Evan from Sichuan Xinxin Smile. Today I show you good technology about how to change L3 plus machine, and you can put the noise low down. First, you can see the slant fan, the fan like this. Also, you can put 4 machine instead here, and then you can see there are no fan because we take out the line from here instead of the simulator. Okay, you can see 2 stock. You can put the line stock in here. After that, you can see the calculate the hash rate, because here we just have three board. You can see the machine works well. Okay, if you're interested, please connect me in Alibaba or WhatsApp. Thank you.